Addressing student success in a hybrid or blended course. A hybrid or blended course requires intentional preparation to ensure the design elements both face-to-face and online will help students be successful. In this video, we will focus on the importance of addressing student success in a hybrid or blended course. After viewing this video, you will be able to define student success in a hybrid or blended course and describe best practices that lead to successful student outcomes in hybrid courses. The variables that define student success are plentiful. At WSSU, 7 success measures guide our understanding of undergraduate student success. These measures include data such as retention, graduation rates, and time to completion. Given these assessment benchmarks and our understanding of who our students are, how do we help our students succeed? The answer begins with understanding the Access model. The A in Access stands for Acclimate. Faculty should prepare students for the rigor of a course with face-to-face and online modalities. Acclimating students to this new instructional modality requires acknowledgement of the shared anxiety that exists between the instructor and students. The beginning of a new semester and a course is stressful. If possible, meet face-to-face on the first day of the course. During the first week of the course, allot time to help orient students to the LMS. This is a great opportunity to assess potential technology challenges that students may face during the course, such as access to a reliable internet connection and the type of device students will use to access the course content. The C in Access stands for Communicate. Faculty should model the importance of oral and written communication. Explain the philosophy for the why and how of the course structure. Communicate the design of the course in a syllabus statement. Organize your course design to ensure students can navigate through the course with ease. Repeat announcements during in-person classes and online as well. Illustrate assignment instructions using videos and the snipping tool to appeal to visual learners. The next C in Access stands for Collaborate. Faculty should remember that active learning positively impacts student performance and retention. Acknowledge the social isolation students are experiencing. Develop a strong educator presence, particularly in the online setting. Implement a threefold collaborative approach that includes learner-instructor interactions, learner-learner interactions, and learner-content interactions. The E in Access stands for Evaluate. Faculty should remember to begin at the end. Develop measurable learning outcomes using Bloom's taxonomy of learning. Use backward design to ensure alignment between learning outcomes and assessments. Remember that backward design fits. Backward design fosters intentionality, improves efficiency, translates practically, and develops problem solvers. The S in Access stands for Substantiate. Faculty should utilize the depth of resources available to meet the holistic needs of students. Know your limitations. Host student hours with individual and small group options. Connect students with campus support resources such as tutoring, the Writing Center, and the Canvas Help Desk. The last S in Access stands for Stimulate. Faculty should connect course content to current events to engage students at deeper levels. Give students autonomy by differentiating learning activities. Engage students in meaningful discussions during face-to-face sessions. Embed mini lectures and instructional videos in the Canvas LMS. In this video, we defined student success in a hybrid or blended course and described best practices that lead to successful student outcomes by reviewing the Access model. When we begin a new semester, we cannot forget that the time for justice is now. As an institution with a social justice emphasis, our ability to address student success requires access. Subscribe to the Center for Innovative and Transformative Instruction YouTube channel for more instructional videos.